Hi friends, welcome to Pcs Kitchen. Today I show you how to make green mince ball curry with drumsticks and potato. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have 1 medium size onion chopped, 1 medium size tomato chopped, 4 green chilies slit, handful of coriander leaves chopped, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 3 pieces of green cardamom elaichi, 6 cloves, 2 spring onions sliced. Here I have half medium size grated coconut, 8 green chilies, you can add more or less according to the spiciness you require, 6 cloves of garlic, 10 pieces of cashew nuts, small ball of tamarind, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon jeera cumin seeds, half teaspoon turmeric powder haldi powder, 3 sticks of cinnamon, 12 pieces of black peppercorns, 10 cloves. One cup of thick coconut milk, half kg grounded beef mince, and here I have drumsticks and potatoes. Salt as per your taste, 4 tablespoons of oil and water as required. Now we'll add all these ingredients into a mixer grinder. Add water as required and now we'll grind this. Our grounded masala is ready. Here I have made the mince balls. I have added salt and made the balls. Here I have pan with oil which is hot. Now we'll fry the mince balls. We'll fry them till they turn light golden brown in color. Our balls are fried well. Now we'll remove them and keep aside. Now in the same oil, we'll add the onions. Tomatoes, and we'll saute it till it turns translucent. Our onion and tomato is done. Now we'll add the coconut milk. We'll add the drumsticks and the potatoes. And now we'll add the green chilies, coriander, cinnamon stick, cloves and green cardamom. Mix well. And now we'll allow this to cook for 10 minutes. Now we'll add the grounded masala. Add water as required. Add salt as per your taste. Mix well. Now we'll add the meatballs. Again we'll stir. And now we'll cook this on a medium flame for 10 minutes. Our curry is done. Our green meatball curry with drumsticks and potatoes are ready. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.